So our second semi-final here at the Canary Wharf Classic, involving Mathieu Castagnet, the number 3 seed of France, taking on Cameron Pilley, the number 6 seed of Australia.
Down.
Oh, thunderous shots
that
from
was outrageous.
Cameron Pilley.
That's the severity that needs to be produced.
Hand out.
Rip this cross-court into the nick.
6.
Pilley getting a lot of time in the middle of the court here. Got to be very careful. If you're Mathieu Castagnet, you cannot let a clean strike of the ball like Cameron Pilley
7-all.
get too much tee control.
No, well, it becomes a bit of a feeding session.
Not up.
Volley drop. This has been the theme for the attacks of Cameron Pilley. Whenever it's loose on the
9,
volley, he's made
8.
the Frenchman really pay for it. Could be a stroke, you know.
Decision Castagnet. Stroke to Castagnet.
Well, there you go. I think we're going to get a review from Pilley, aren't we?
Video review, Pilley on a stroke decision.
Pilley's always going to review this. It's got to be a stroke.
Yeah,
Ball's
it will
come
be a
straight
stroke.
back. Pilley's not moved. This will remain as a stroke.
If you see Cameron Pilley's face there, he knew it was a stroke from when he played that ball.
Stroke to Castagnet. Decision upheld. 11-9.
Wow. Nice finish from Castagnet.
Castagnet absolutely walloped that one.
6-5. Not up.
There you go. That's exactly what Pilley can do. Really can unload on that forehand as soon as he gets an opportunity.
10-8. Game ball.
Bet your bottom dollar that he's going to look to kill it.
Well, he's hustling away, the Australian.
Oh, clever.
What a shot, a complete taxi. Mathieu Castagnet was off down the Thames there.
1 game all.
Oh, that's a wonderful shot from Castagnet.
Well, it's acknowledged there by the Australian, and Frenchman is moving
5-1.
quite quickly here, 5-1.
Yeah, it's nice from Castagnet. I like the fact that he's really starting to put a bit of hold into the top of his swing, so he's getting the racket ready early
7
and holding,
1.
and then able to threaten with a long and short option, which means that Pilley can't commit either way. You only need a really slight drop-off, and all of a sudden you're late. You're late to the ball. You haven't got the options.
It can become a massive gulf between the two levels when they've been so equal. But he has that ability, Castagnet. He just doesn't drop off, does he? Keeps the consistency going. He has a reputation of playing so many of these kind of hardcore long matches all the way through from when he joined the PSA World Tour up until his last event.
Wow, look at that shot from Castagnet. Really is showing off the skills he's developed into the front now.
So 9 game balls for a massive 2-1 lead for the number 3 seed, Mathieu Castagnet.
There you go.
He's done it. So Castagnet
Game to Castagnet.
steamrollers a third game. We'll see a 5th game here.
No, I'm thinking Castagnet is looking slightly stronger.
Oh, that is perfect. He's seen plenty of squash in his career so far. That's a great shot.
That's a great shot. There's no way
He really did use his reach here well.
No left. 7-5.
Surprising me that Castagnet thinks this is a let.
Yes, please. Quickly, please.
Well, he's got to change another racket here.
Well, you can see the bumper strip. It's completely split on that one.
Every time the racket is broken, or there's something wrong with it.
It's your rule, the racket is not broken at all.
This can really be dangerous, Mr. Castagnet.
The first one?
We're just going to cut the top of the bumper strip.
Yeah, I mean,
it's dangerous though, isn't it?
It is, having a bumper strip that's sliced into like that. You know, the bumper strip doesn't really have much effect on the racket breaking.
Doesn't it?
No.
Doesn't protect it.
Not really. It's a bit of a myth on that one, but it just adds a bit of extra weight to the racket. A lot of the guys you see, like Gaultier, trimming the bumper strip off, and that's what Cameron Pilley's done, where it's split.
7-5.
A bit of unnecessary weight. It also gets in the way between the racket and the actual side wall when the ball's tight.
7-5.
So you don't get the feel when the ball's really tight. Well, that was quite a nice bit of a break as well, wasn't it, for Cameron Pilley?
Well, that's what Castagnet was pointing out. That's why he wasn't happy. He wanted it carrying on. Does look rejuvenated as well, doesn't he, Pilley?
Well, he had close to a minute of rest there.
Which isn't long for normal people, but for athletes like this, they can recover, can't they?
Well, he has done.
Well, ball's not getting to the back, is it?
It's very spongy.
Oh, wonderful counter drop from Cameron Pilley.
He had to do that. Couldn't have got that any lower. What a shot. I mean, it was a setup. Castagnet was edgy with this. You see this, he's telegraphed it so high. It's a dreadful shot from Castagnet, and it got what it deserved. Probably a bit too close for comfort for Cameron Pilley. Scurrying around. Oh, he's played it. What a volley drop under pressure there. Cameron Pilley flying around, trying to keep in that rally.
Each player has one video review available.
Oh, he's done it.
So Mathieu Castagnet gets through another very, very tough battle on the PSA World Tour, this time in Canary Wharf.
11-1.
87-minute marathon. Mathieu Castagnet overcoming Cameron Pilley. 11-9, 11-13, 11-1, 13-11. 3 games to 1.